Hello friends, today you are going to build your first web page. From this blank screen to this colorful page. And I promise you, it is very easy. No confusing tech talk. Let's go. Suppose you need to build this house. Okay, what will you do? First of all, you have to build its blueprint. Okay, then you will start building this house. Okay, so the same thing is with HTML. HTML is also a blueprint for a web page. Without HTML, you cannot build a web page. Okay, like this in this blueprint. This decide where the bathroom is, where the record room is, where the bedroom is, where the car will be placed. Okay, so same like this, HTML decide where image will place on the web page, where the text will place on the web page. Okay, so this is simple. Okay, so now we come to the real place where we write code and build our first HTML page. It is VS Code. Okay, and I won't show you how to set up this. Why? Not because it is hard, it is very straightforward, but because there are a lot of videos on YouTube which you can see yourself and set up this on your own. Okay, cool. Now I assume you have set up the VS Code in your system. Okay, now we write the code. Okay, so first of all, we build a file. Our file .html. Okay, this is our file, first file. You can use any name of your choice. I use index.html. Okay, and remember .html is the extension. You always have to put this after your file name. Okay, so now we will write our code. Okay, don't worry, don't be panic by seeing this code. Okay, this is nothing, just tags, HTML tag, head tag, meta tag, title tag. Okay, for now please ignore all this tag and focus only on the tag which I write now. Okay, the tag between the body. Okay, now so we will write. Okay, so first of all we will see what it is showing on the browser. Okay, it is a blank screen now. Okay, so we write our first tag, h1 tag. Okay, for now don't try to understand, for now just see what I am doing. Okay, just listen to me. So it is h1 tag and I write anything here, like I write my name, I am Vishal. You can use your name too. Okay, and now come to the browser and you see what I write here is reflecting on the web page. Okay, now you have successfully write your first line of HTML. Okay, now so for today we use only three tags, h1 tag, p tag and a image tag. Okay, and what this tag meaning, h1 tag is used for heading. Okay, whenever we want to write any heading we use h1 tag. And the second tag is p tag, it is used for writing paragraph. Okay, suppose I write, you can write anything what you want. I love pizzas and puppies. Okay, and the third tag is image tag. Okay, Okay, so image tag is a little bit confusing for you because you are now beginner. Okay, but for now just see what is happening. Okay. Mm, for images, suppose I have an image in my folder. This is kitten image. Okay, I have to pass this image into my source attribute. Okay, this is called the source attribute, and we have to pass images in this attribute for appearing on our web page. Okay, and now it is the text of image. Okay, now you can see the image is appearing on the web page. Okay, so for today we have uh, we write our three tag: h1 tag, page tag and image tag, and those three tags are reflecting on the screen as you can see. Okay, and if I remove this image from here, you can see image has been removed. Okay, so that's how HTML works. Okay, very simple, very easy, you just need to follow me. Okay. Okay, now let's one more tag, a link tag. Okay, this is link tag, we also call this anchor tag also. Okay, and in the href attribute we place our link where we want to go, and here we put text, any text, random text you can use here, not a fixed, like you can use hand, you can use YouTube, anything, this doesn't matter, but this link matter. Suppose you want to go to YouTube. Okay, what will you do? You will go to YouTube and copy the link and paste here. Okay, and write anything here. You can write YouTube, or you can write your name, like, okay, you can write anything here. I write YouTube, and now you see the link appear here, and when I click on this link it jumps to YouTube. You can see I click and it goes to YouTube. YouTube has opened. Okay, so how this work? Okay, we have successfully learned four tag: h1 tag, p tag, image tag, anchor tag. Okay, so we have done for today. In the next section we will make it fancy, we will style these tags. Okay, we use CSS. Okay, thank you, and please like and subscribe and share this video as much as you can.